Hi and welcome. This time of year it is halfway to Halloween. You see that a lot. I know Disney's running a big promo on halfway to Halloween. You see that all over social media, things like that. So I thought we would address something that I've been thinking about for a while now. And it seems like a good time since we're at this halfway to Halloween point. Maybe we should talk about this. So we started this vlog back in November this past year, 2022. After we had packed up all of our Halloween setup, and we started to document our work on props for this, off-season, as I was calling it. As I've added more videos to off-season 1 playlist, I started to think, well, when does off-season 1 end and actually the Halloween season start? And that's turning out to be a lot harder to answer than I thought, the more I dug into it. One idea, I guess, would be that it starts maybe October 1st, or maybe when we begin setting up. Or does it work like the way it works at Disney, and it starts in the middle of August? Much as I love Halloween, I kind of think that's probably a little too early. Maybe sometime in between, though. Maybe in September. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. But it feels to me like it should be at a time when we stop building props and start gearing more towards setting up for that year. Unfortunately, I don't know that there's a real line there. A lot of times I'm working on new props while I'm setting up. So I still don't know what the answer to this question is. I don't know when we're going to stop this off season and start, the season. But right now I'm kind of leaning towards October 1st, maybe a little earlier, a week or so earlier, end of September. I think we'll figure it out as we get closer, and as you start to get closer to Halloween and more into the season, the fall starts. I think then it'll maybe become a little more clear. Maybe when we start to see some Halloween merchandise in the stores, but again, that may happen in August too. Who knows? But maybe not. So what do you all think? When do you think the Halloween season should begin? Please let us know. Put some answers in the comments. Let's talk about this. Let's figure out when does the Halloween season begin and when does our off season end? Let me know, okay? Thanks.